you take this guy over here, put these two together. Hang on, guys, I forgot a part. One of the red trims goes back here, like so. Then there's another clear part here, and I put it on this table, and now I can't find it. Hang on, guys. I should have put something under it so I can see it. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there you are. You can't barely see it, but I'll put it on this guy and then I'll zoom in on it. This is basically one of the clear lenses that goes in the front. It snaps into play. It looks like that. And then you finish it up by putting this guy in. Now, taking him and taking this other frame, put it on there and put it there. Then seal it up. Oh. Wait. Hold on, guys. You know what? Somebody's gonna comment, he's rushing! Tell him to calm down! Wah! Yeah, I am. So sorry, guys. Normally I have this prepared. So one goes there, and the other goes there. There we go. So now it's good. And it's, what I just put in is a polycaps that gives it a little resistance to pull it in and out. Alright, so next up is the trim, the armored trim, you could say. So one goes here, like this, and the other one go over it, like so. If I can get it in there. Ah, this is specific. I think I know this. Oh boy, am I gonna get some lip today. There we go. This is actually a little bit more better than, a lot better on the in the master grade version. Now, I know for a fact that I didn't separate this, so I gotta get it. There she is. Another clear part for the sensor. Don't fall off. Put it in like so. Put this guy in there. Put him here. And then this clamp here goes there. Put it into this and then fold it in. So that completes this beam rifle. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. Now this is beam rifle number 2, as I'm referring to here. And as you can see, the parts are a little slightly different than beam rifle number 1. And I'm sorry for the lack of the fact that I wasn't prepared for that. But at least I'm prepared now, considering that the fact that These are the only parts I have left over. There we go. So we have this here, and then according to the instructions in this position, we gotta take this guy. Is that correct? Yes, sandwich him right through here because the part is split. Keep it in the back, and then, oops, nope, the other way. Like that. Then you put that here. Next you put this part here, followed by this support. There we go. Interesting. And then finally this guy. Put that guy here. Looks like a sniper rifle. Oh, alright, so you take these guys, get that done. Get that done there. Pretty much cannot go wrong with the placement of that because it has its own pattern where you need to stick it. Then gotta put these two guys together. Keep that in the back here. Oh wow. Now then, supposed to take this guy, stick him here. I was assuming this thing was going to fall any second now. Then, ooh, almost forgot. Okay, slide that guy there. Well, that's going to annoy me. We slide him here. I guess we can slide it in and then position him properly. There she goes. Now, take this guy. Stay where you are, and then seal them up. Alright, there we go. So, almost done, guys, almost done. So we put him there. Like that. Stick him there. It's amazing the amount of parts that constitute this rifle. Okay. And then finally, put this guy here. And this guy in there, and seal it up. Fold it in. And there you have it. Both beam rifles. Whoops, this came out. Say again, both beam rifles are done. That was a lot of work. What you're pretty much looking at here is probably the easiest part to build of a model kit, second only to a stand. The beam sabers itself. Remove this part there, but that's okay. This is pretty much basically very simple. Just put these two together. Make sure it's the right section. There it is. And you have this guy going down here. This one going over up there. And that's pretty much it. I mean, pretty much you don't have to worry about beam saber handles. And with the high grade, you probably get only one part. With the master grade, you're going to get 2, possibility 3. With the PG, a couple of parts. And all that are for these huge monstrosities of beam sabers. Well, let's move on to the final part.